Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So there is a new drama called Barzakh. The issue is that liberal people want to legalize sexual intercourse, saying what's the issue if a man and woman have sexual intercourse with their own consent. So the directors of this drama say that if people don't like the drama, then don't watch it. If we had an ounce of respect in our hearts, we would not let this happen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يُحِبُّونَ أَن تَشِيعَ الْفَاحِشَةُ فِي الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ فِي الدُّنْيَا وَالْآخِرَةِ. Verily those who like that the crime of illegal sexual intercourse should be propagated among those who believe. They will have a painful torment in this world and in the hereafter, and Allah knows and you know not. Look, my brothers and sisters, the point is that these people have no shame in trying to legalize what is completely illegal in the eyes of Allah. These people have no shame or respect that they made this drama for what? Just to promote LGBTQ? I honestly wish that we Muslims had some respect for our deen, as if you look at it, the producer of this drama had the guts and balls to make this fahish. Fahish basically means disrespectful, shameful drama, and to which again the director says that if you don't want to watch it, then don't watch it. But we won't stop making this drama. Muslims that are respectful and truly care about Islam will never allow something like this to happen. And if they had any dignity, they should humiliate and dishonor these types of people that openly and admittingly say that we won't stop our fahish, shameful or disrespectful dramas, regardless of being right or wrong. My brothers and sisters, you have to remember that allowing these types of dramas will affect our children and our generation. It's our children that will watch these types of dramas, and they will be the ones who are most influenced by these dramas. Currently, you might not understand, but you will cry that when your daughter or son becomes afflicted by these ideologies in these dramas, by these ideologies in these dramas that are being promoted, then we will say, where were the Islamic scholars, the ulama, that were supposed to warn us? You will say, we wish that we understood Islam properly. To fall into sin is very easy, but to get out of it is very hard. My brothers and sisters, the bare minimum that a Muslim should do is at least take pride in being a Muslim. Today Muslims shy from the truth and feel like they are the ones who have no respect. There is no other religion that has the capabilities that Islam has. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Quran, the following are not allowed: adultery, stealing, murder, drinking alcohol, being gay, or same-sex basically. The worst thing is, if you really think about it, we have taken what is not allowed in the Quran and started doing that rather than what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded us to do. Again, look, the story of Shu'aib alayhi salam, Allah told us in the Quran that what his people were doing. And what were they doing? Reducing and increasing in the weights when dealing with business. Shu'aib alayhi salam said to them, be fair and just, and to earn their earning with honesty. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that what Shu'aib alayhi salam preached to them, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us what the people's reactions were and what they said. So my question is, why did Allah Rabbul Alameen tell us about Shu'aib alayhi salam's story? So we can reflect and not do what Shu'aib alayhi salam's people did. What we have done now is that what Allah has forbidden. I'm sure my brothers and sisters, you've heard this in the Jumu'ah khutbah many times. Inna Allah ya'muru bil adli wal ihsan wa ita'i dhil qurba wa yanha 'anil fahsha. Allah forbids immorality and bad conduct and oppression. My brothers and sisters, look at this for yourselves. We are currently doing what the people of Lut alayhi salam did, the people of Shu'aib alayhi salam did, the people of Musa alayhi salam did. What is it that we have left out from all the punishments that Allah gave to the sinners and disbelievers? we are doing everything that the previous nations did, to a fact that we have started to promote anything and everything that is sinful. All the things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it haram for us to do, we have started to glamorize it, to a point that we have made it a symbol of pride. One more thing is that whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made haram for us, we have come to a point that we feel ashamed of even saying to our brother. For example, if you say to a brother that, come on bruv, let's go and read salah in the masjid, he feels ashamed to even say this, as he knows or he thinks that others will say in response, when did you become a preacher, man? Our hairstyle is like the disbelievers, our clothes, our gatherings, our acts are almost all like the disbelievers. Where has Islam gone? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, O you who have believed, enter into Islam completely and do not follow the footsteps of shaitan. Indeed, he is to you a clear enemy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us and keep us on the straight path and make us from those that He is pleased with. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.